We are the provider of the main bulk material handling equipment for the world's largest 2 single iron ore projects since 2006. 9 sets of giant bulk material handling equipment for Australia Roy Hill project and 11 sets of large bulk material handling equipment for Brazil's Vale 130 and S11D projects. 135 sets of main equipment for the steel mill of Formosa Plastic Group in Ha Tin, Vietnam. World's first hematite tailings industrialized recycling plant EP project in Australia. Ashburton Port and Kensburg Mine Core bulk material handling equipment and port equipment turnkey project for Australian Mineral Resources Company Limited. EPC project for the expansion of Utah No. 2 Storage Yard of Australia Atlas Iron Ore Company Limited. They are all made by Dalian Huawei Heavy Industry Group Company Limited. 9 major products lifecycle integrated solutions provider. Since 1914, we have provided nearly 7 million tons of technical equipment to our customers from nearly 100 countries and regions. Our large-scale and high-end bulk handling equipment has reached the international advanced level. DHHI holds more than 500 patents. Our major products include metallurgical machinery, lifting machinery, bulk material handling machinery, port machinery, energy equipment, transmission and control system, marine parts, construction machinery, and offshore machinery. We have the capability of integrated design, manufacture, assembly and delivery, installation and commissioning of major technical equipment, as well as EPC contracting. We provide lifecycle services to help our customers with operation and maintenance, remote diagnosis, and upgrade for equipment to be more energy-saving, environmentally friendly, and intelligent. An outstanding representative of China's equipment manufacturing, DHHI has taken on nearly 100 national key scientific and technological projects. Our large megawatt, low-speed wind turbine gearbox and large tonnage bridge crane lightweight have reached the world's leading technological level. We have developed the world's first and largest 23,000 TEU container marine crankshaft occupying the commanding heights of the world's ultra-large marine crankshaft development technology. The large-scale intelligent and environment-friendly coke oven machinery we have developed has a smoke and dust pollutant capture rate of over 98% and can realize unmanned operation, occupying 95% share of the Chinese market. Abide by international standards to serve global customers. We have nearly 10,000 employees and a marketing network covering over 10 countries and regions, including Australia, India, Vietnam, Germany, Brazil, etc. We provide our global customers quality products and services that can meet the standards of Australia, European Union, and United States. With the certification of Occupational Health and Safety Management System and Environment Management System, we ensure that our products, activities, and services comply with international standards and requirements. DHHI has established strategic partnership with giants like Hancock Group of Australia, Vale of Brazil, Mitsubishi Corporation of Japan, and Rio Tinto. We have provided large, high-end, intelligent bulk material handling equipment, port machinery, lifting machinery, and metallurgical machinery for FMG Mining Group of Australia, AMNS of India, JSW Group, Tata Steel, ITD Company, Prit, Danieli, SMS Group, and other world-leading companies. The projects we've engaged in Australia have gained several important awards, such as Mineral Processing Most Promising Project Award. Facilitate carbon neutrality targets. We make efforts to go carbon neutral. Together with our customers, we accelerate the intelligent and environment-friendly transformation in a wide range of areas. As a leader in the core components of wind power equipment, we have established good cooperative relations with Vestas, Siemens Gamesa, and GE, etc. to jointly promote clean energy development. DHHI drives and leads the industrial development with scientific and technological innovation. We developed China's first all-round intelligent unmanned yard operating system for the world's largest public coal terminal and dry bulk cargo port. We developed many kinds of world-leading intelligent equipment, 3,600 tons an hour of intelligent continuous ship unloader for the world-renowned steel group China Baowu Steel Group Corporation. For the first time, a bulk cargo terminal continuous ship unloader achieves intelligent unloading operation. The Smart TPC self-propelled electric unmanned torpedo ladle car, hot iron mixing car improves the transportation efficiently of molten iron by 2.5 times, effectively slows down the drop of molten iron temperature and reduces carbon emissions. UHV, unmanned heavy-duty steel coil transport vehicle with capacity of more than 100 tons, opened a new mode of intelligent, efficient, and unmanned transport in the whole scene of closed area. The Cluster Intelligent Lifting Transportation and Intelligent Warehousing Logistics Plane Warehouse project we developed is leading the development of the industry. Fulfill social responsibility, create value in the future. DHHI is exploring continuously to provide the best overall effect for our customers and community. We promote charity and corporate social responsibility, as well as create a safe working environment and platform for our employees to realize their personal value. We look forward to working with our global partners to contribute to more to the progress of human civilization.